Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring and preparing so you don't stop halfway. Remove the screen from the jamb and lay it flat. Once done, cut a starter notch in the spline and pry up the old spline with a flathead. Pull the old mesh away from the groove and discard it. Make sure to inspect the frame for damage and clean the channel. This prevents bumps when you reinstall new mesh and ensures a tight, even fit when you begin fitting replacement material. You now position the replacement mesh with about 1/2 inch of overlap and hold it taut along the long side. Once aligned, press the spline into the channel with the convex roller while maintaining steady tension. Work from the center out to avoid ripples, then do the opposite sides, finally finishing the short ends. Make sure to keep the mesh tight but not overstretched. Trimming the excess with a utility knife after the spline is fully seated gives a neat edge and preserves screen integrity. You finish by reinstalling the screen into the door frame and checking that the latch and hinges operate smoothly. Once in place, inspect for puckers. If a wrinkle shows up, relieve the spline in that area and retension the mesh before pressing the spline back in. This corrects localized slack without full replacement. If you notice a tear larger than 2 inches, patching is temporary. Remove the panel and replace the entire mesh for a long-lasting, weatherproof result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.